of San Francisco. This little 7x7 mile corner of the world has become a big part of my life. Even though I'll never get used to the treacherous hills, the views can make you forget about the burn in your legs or the fear of your car rolling back. Why do you love San Francisco?
San Francisco's like the best.
Beautiful scenery and it's nice when it's sunny. I mean, there's a lot of Asian food that you could just go to.
I love it here because I was born here. I love the Chinatown where I can buy the foods I like to eat most.
My parents who immigrated here had a lot of struggles and challenges. All the fruits of their labors, I'm able to really reap those benefits. That's why I love San Francisco.
I love SF because it's culturally rich, it's easily walkable, and everywhere you go and everywhere you look, it's photogenic.
See views, feel energy of people, smell chilly air. Taste each flavor, and most importantly, hear the city's heartbeat. It's alive, full of history and culture. Why do you love San Francisco?
I don't love San Francisco. The weather sucks, and there's shit everywhere. Like, no. Sorry. But my husband's from San Francisco, so I kind of like it, okay? Aww.